Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Unlatch and remove the front bezel. Find the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the 2 screws and remove the hard drive from the system. Identify the disk drive cage and disconnect the cables. Remove the screw and slide the cage out of the system. Flip the cage over and disconnect the cables. Remove the cage from the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw to lift it out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and install the screw to secure it. Place the disk drive cage in the system and reconnect the cables. Flip the cage over, slide it back into place, and install the screw. Reconnect the cables. Place the hard drive assembly back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel. Place the side cover back on the device and tighten the screws to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.